Handy Hudsonite here. We're going to look at an inexpensive aftermarket stereo for your car, whether it's your first car, whether it's a car you've owned for a long time. So I'm actually going to do this review with my son, who has this particular model of stereo in his car, and we're going to look at it right after this. Are you looking for a good aftermarket stereo to put in your car? Well, we're going to look at the Clarion brand of stereos, aftermarket car stereos, and we're in my son's car. He bought this car from a friend, and this Clarion stereo came with it. It is a few years old, and this one isn't available for sale anymore, but you can get upgraded models, newer models that have a lot more current features on them. Though this model does have Bluetooth. And another cool feature about it is you can actually keep track of where you parked your car. If you're in a large parking garage or parking lot and you don't quite remember where you parked your car, that's another great feature. And of course the sound quality is superb, especially when you have quality speakers, and just the ease of use when it's connected to your smartphone. So I'll let him describe more of the features and his experience in using it, so that you can get a better idea of whether this stereo is for you.
So yeah, this car came with new speakers that came with the Clarion, and the sound quality is great on it. And when you press on the sound options here, you can get a bass boosted, which is like the vibration of like the song you're listening to, which is good. Impact. I haven't really tried all these. Excite. Like, these are all different kinds of music modes you can do. There's off, so you can just listen to it like without a boost or anything. So there's just all these different kinds of features to do, and I like to do bass boosted, because like when I'm listening to music with good beats and stuff, you can feel it coming from the car, and it's just like a good experience to listen to music with. This radio can the lights around it, they change color, so like in the dark it looks really cool. Also, it comes with a controller, but this controller was dead when I got it. But this controller, I mean, I guess you don't really need it since it has Bluetooth, but I guess that's a cool thing to have. Yeah, so I definitely recommend it.
Well, there you have it. You have my son's first-hand experience using it, and he's really liked his experience with the stereo for the last several months. And be sure to subscribe to my channel here at the Handy Hudsonite, and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated when my content goes up. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.